The Prophet ﷺ used to say, Allahumma ja'al khayra ayyamina awakhiraha wa khayra a'malina khawatimaha. Oh Allah, make the best of my days the last days. You know when I'm going to go. Just before those days, make everything the best. I give an example usually of a Pakistani singer who turned to faith before Allah took him away. To me, I look at it and I say, that was the love of Allah for that man. Do you know his name? Junaid Jamshed. When I heard his story, I happened to meet him not long before he passed away in the crash. I met him at the airport in one of the countries. And we sat together. I was with my wife, he was with his wife. And we spoke for a while. And I'm thinking to myself, this is the guy who used to sing. And he was literally famous for his singing. He quit it and he